Welcome. Today we'll explore Newton's law of cooling using a practical example, a roast turkey fresh from the oven. Let's see how its temperature changes over time as it cools down to room temperature. Let's visualize this cooling process with a graph. We'll put time on the horizontal axis, measured in minutes, and temperature on the vertical axis, measured in degrees Fahrenheit. Our turkey starts at 185 degrees Fahrenheit when it comes out of the oven. The room temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. According to Newton's law of cooling, the rate at which an object cools is proportional to the difference between its temperature and the surrounding temperature. Notice how the temperature drops more quickly at first when the difference between the turkey's temperature and room temperature is largest. As the turkey gets closer to room temperature, the rate of cooling slows down. This behavior is described by Newton's law of cooling. T equals T room plus the initial temperature difference times e to the negative kt power. Let's calculate the turkey's temperature after 30 minutes, plugging in our values. Temperature room is 70 degrees, initial temperature is 185 degrees, and K is approximately 0.02 per minute based on typical cooling rates. After 30 minutes, the temperature would be 70 plus 115 times e to the negative 0.02 times 30, which equals approximately 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's mark this point on our graph. It's important to note that for food safety, the turkey shouldn't be left at room temperature for too long. The danger zone for bacterial growth is between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. According to our cooling curve, the turkey will enter this range after about 25 minutes, so it's important to refrigerate it before then. In conclusion, Newton's law of cooling helps us understand and predict how objects cool over time. Remember to consider food safety guidelines when cooling hot foods, and use this knowledge to ensure safe food handling practices.